Thank you so much for joining us today.
We're really happy to have you here. In today's episode, we're going to discuss two interesting topics related to technology that have become an important part of our lives.
That's right, we create this podcast as part of our final project for our English course. But more than just completing an assignment, we also want to share useful knowledge and improve our communication skills in English.
Technology is developing very quickly, and sometimes we use it every day without fully understanding how it works. So, today we'll start by talking about artificial intelligence or AI.
We hope this discussion is informative, enjoyable, and easy to understand. So let's begin.
So, Afriya, artificial intelligence has become one of the hottest topics in recent years. We hear about AI almost everywhere, but for people who are still unfamiliar with it, what exactly is artificial intelligence?
That's a great question. Simply put, artificial intelligence is a technology that allows computer or machine to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. For example, AI can learn from data, recognize image or voices, answer questions, solve problems, and even make decisions based on patterns.
That sounds impressive. I think many people actually use AI every day without even realizing it.
Exactly. For example, when we ask Google Assistant or Siri as a question, that's AI. When Netflix or YouTube recommends videos based off on what we usually watch, that's AI too. Even when we unlock our phones using facial recognition, AI is working behind the scenes.
I agree. As university students, I think AI has also changed the way we study. Sometimes I use AI to help me understand difficult concepts, summarize articles, or even practice my English speaking.
Same here. I think AI is very helpful as a learning assistant. However, I believe students should use it wisely. AI should help us learn, not replace our own thinking. If we depend on it too much, we might stop developing important skills like critical thinking and problem solving.
That's really important point. AI is a tool, not a replacement for learning. Besides education, AI is also transforming many other industries, isn't it?
Yes, definitely. In healthcare, AI helps doctors detect disease earlier by analyzing medical images. In business, companies use AI to understand customer behavior and improve their service. Even in transportation, AI is used in navigation system and self-driving vehicle technology.
It's amazing how many fields benefit from AI. But despite all this advantage, many people are still worried about its impact.
That's true. One of the biggest concerns is that AI may replace some jobs, especially repetitive or routine work. For example, certain administrative tasks or customer service jobs can now be handled by AI system.
So, do you think people should be afraid of AI replacing human workers?
Personally, I don't think AI will completely replace human. Instead, I think it will change the way we work. Some jobs may disappear, but new jobs will also be created. That's why people need to keep learning and improve their skills so they can work alongside AI.
I completely agree. Technology has always changed the workplace. The important thing is that we're willing to adapt instead of being afraid of change.
Exactly. Another issue people often discuss is privacy. AI systems collect a lot of data to work effectively. If companies don't protect that data properly, it could become a serious security problem.
That's true. Sometimes people don't realize how much personal information they share online. It's important for companies to use AI responsibility and for users to be aware of their digital privacy.
I also think government and technology companies should work together to create clear rules for AI. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical guidelines are becoming more important than ever.
Speaking of ethics, some people worry that AI could spread misinformation. create fake images or videos, or even be used for cybercrime.
Yes, that's one of the biggest challenges today. AI itself isn't good or bad. It depends on how people use it. If it's used responsibly, it can improve education, healthcare, business, and many other aspects of our life. But if it's misused, it can create serious problems.
That's a very balanced perspective. Before we finish this topic, I'd like to ask one final question. So, do you think AI will become even more important in the future?
Absolutely, I believe AI will continue to grow and become part of almost every industry. However, I hope people will use it to support human creativity rather than replace it. In my opinion, the best future is one where humans and AI work together.
I couldn't agree more. AI has incredible potential, but humans' values, creativity, and responsibility should always come first.
Exactly. Technology should always serve people, not the other way around.
Well, that was really interesting discussion. I learned that artificial intelligence is much more than just a popular trend. It's already helping people in education, healthcare, business, and many other areas, but it also comes with challenges that we need to understand.
I agree. As student and future professional in the technology field, it's important for us to use AI wisely, think critically, and continue learning as technology evolves.
Now that we've talked about artificial intelligence, let's continue our discussion with other technology that we all use every single day.
That's right, AI has become so powerful largely because of the internet. So, in the next topic, we're going to explore how the internet has changed the way we communicate, learn, and live our daily lives.
Let's move on to our second topic, the internet.
Okay, that was really interesting discussion about artificial intelligence. As we mentioned it earlier, AI has become a part of our daily lives because of another technology that connects billions of people around the world, the internet. So now, let's continue our conversation by talking about something we all use every single day, the internet.
That's right, it's hard to imagine our lives without the internet. We use it to study, communicate, shop, work, and even entertain ourselves. It becomes one of the more important technologies in modern life.
Okay, to start, Alia, could you explain what the internet actually is?
Of course, the internet is a global network that connects millions of computers and devices around the world. It also people to share information, communicate instantly, and access countless online service from almost everywhere.
Exactly. I think many people use the internet every day without really thinking about how important it is. As students, we depend for it almost everything.
I agree. We use it to attend online classes, search for academic journal, watch educational videos, submit assignments, and communicate with our lecturers or classmates. Especially after the COVID-19 pandemic, online learning became much more common.
That's true. I also think the internet has made learning much easier. Years ago, students had to spend hours looking for books in libraries. Now we can find information within seconds.
Yes, but I think there's also a challenge that since there's so much information online, we need to be careful about the sources we choose. Not everything we read on the internet is accurate or trustworthy.
That's an excellent point. Developing digital literacy is becoming more important than ever. You should always verify information before believing it or sharing it with others.
Exactly. Fake news spread very quickly on social media, and many people share information without checking whether is it true. That can lead to misunderstanding and even serious problems.
Besides education, the internet has also changed the way we communicate.
Definitely, today we can send message instantly through apps like WhatsApp, join video meetings, and even talk to friends and family who live in different countries. Communication has become much faster and more convenient.
I couldn't agree more. Online shopping is another example. Instead of going to physical stores, many people now buy clothes, food, or even grocery with just a few taps on their phones.
Yes, and online banking has also become very popular. We can transfer money, pay bills, or check our account balance anytime without visiting a bank.
This service saves a lot of time. They also require us to be more careful. Cybersecurity is becoming a major concern because personal information can be stolen if you're not cautious.
That's right. People should create strong password, avoid clicking suspicious links, and never share personal information with unknown websites. Small action like this can make a big difference in protecting our online account.
Okay, in your opinion, what is the biggest advantage of the internet?
For me, it's accessibility. The internet allows people to access knowledge from anywhere, whether you're learning a new language, watching tutorials, or taking online course. Education has become much more accessible than before.
I agree. Personally, I think the internet also create opportunities. Many people can work remotely, start online business, become content creator, or learn new skills that help them build their careers.
Absolutely. However, we also have to recognize the negative side. Spending too much online can affect our mental health, reduce face-to-face interaction, and even lower our productivity.
That's something many students experience. Sometimes we open the internet to study, but then we spend our hours scrolling through social media instead.
I think almost everyone has experienced that at least one.
I know I have. Looking ahead, how do you think the internet will continue to change our life?
I believe it will become even faster and smarter. Technologies like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and Internet of Things will make our homes, school, and workplace more connected than ever before.
I agree. However, as technology continues to develop, people also need to become more responsible digital citizens. Understanding online ethics, protocol, personal data, and respecting other online are just as important as learning how to use technology itself.
Exactly. Technology should make our lives better, but it's our responsibility to use it wisely and ethically.
Okay, well, that brings us to the end of today's discussion. Today we've talked about two technologies that have transformed the modern world. Artificial intelligence and the internet, they have changed the way we learn, communicate, work, and solve problems. But they also remind us of the importance of using technology responsibly.
We hope this conversation has given you a better understanding of these topics and encourage you to think more critically about how technology influences our daily lives.
Thank you so much for listening to our podcast. Really enjoy sharing our topics with you.
We hope enjoy listening as much as we enjoy creating this podcast.
Once again, I'm Afriel.
I'm Alia.
Thank you for listening to Touch Talk with Alia and Afriel. See you in our next video. Goodbye.